Back home. Seeing the family folk. CJ!
Dad, I made a card for you.
You made a card for me?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss, please.
Yeah, but I forgot where I put it.
Give me a
Watch,
kiss.
let's see what he does.
Oh,
Dad,
You wanted to go inside both of these guys.
yeah!
Dad,
Yeah.
it was so special.
And then sometimes
It was so special that I forgot where I put it. You can help me find it though, Dad.
Yes, I
they were
can.
locked this time.
Yeah, perfect sound. I decided now. What? You driving? Beep beep. Beep beep.
I'm the passenger.
Janae, you don't stand on the seat. That's the only thing.
I wasn't. I was gonna sit.
Good, then I was just making sure you know. There you go. Janae, you don't need to turn any knobs. See, look at your brother.
Put it high. Put it on high.
I can pull him out. He won't be happy, but such is life. I'm getting on the other side.
CJ,
These kids.
come. CJ, you can come now.
Huh? Huh? You ready to go inside? Inside? Inside. Inside. Let's go. Close that door, sweetie, when you go. Uh-oh, it's time to go.